What if the next generation of weapons was made in the Philippines? The United States is planning something big, a weapons manufacturing plant. Right here in Filipino soil. Under a new strategy called the Partnership for Indo-Pacific Industrial Resilience, or PIPIR, the United States is preparing to invest in weapons and ammunition production across the Indo-Pacific, and yes, the Philippines is part of that plan. At the center of this project, a facility that will manufacture and mass-produce 30mm ammunition, and possibly military and logistical drones, in partnership with local Filipino companies. This isn't just a warehouse, it's a full-scale defense production hub. So, why 30mm rounds? Because these are the backbone of modern combat systems. They are used by warships for naval guns and close-in defense systems, attack helicopters like the AH-64 Apache, aircraft like the A-10 Thunderbolt II, and even fighter jets like the Dassault Rafale. On land, armored vehicles such as the Striker and the Boxer depend on these rounds for firepower. And here's what makes it even more important. The armed forces of the Philippines already uses 30mm ammunition across its platforms, including the M113 armored personnel carrier of the Philippine Army, the Acero-class fast attack interdiction crafts, and the Jose Rizal-class frigate. This means local production could directly support national defense. But this isn't just about one country. Under PIPIR, the United States is building a network of defense production across Japan, South Korea, Australia, and the Philippines. The goal, to stabilize supply chains and strengthen allies across the Indo-Pacific. For the Philippines, this could mean new jobs in advanced manufacturing, technology transfer, and defense innovation, stronger military readiness, but also bigger geopolitical responsibility in an increasingly tense region. A weapons factory on Philippine soil. Is this a turning point for the country's defense and industry, or the beginning of something even bigger? What do you think? Is this a smart move for the Philippines? Comment your thoughts below and follow for more deep dives.